Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to absolutely master a tricky word that constantly pops up on English exams.
So, have you ever lost points because you fell for the trap of confusing two similar-looking words?
We'll meet listless. It's an adjective that describes someone who's just totally sluggish, lacking any energy or enthusiasm.
To get this, let's look at its Middle English roots. The old noun list actually meant desire. Toss on the suffix less, meaning without, and it literally translates to being completely without desire. Makes sense, right?
Check out these synonyms and antonyms. Grouping them like this really helps lock that meaning into your brain. You'll definitely spot it in reading comprehension passages, setting a mood, like this sentence about that oppressive summer heat. For grammar questions, you've got to recognize its whole family, like the adverb listlessly or the noun listlessness. Keep an eye out for context clues. Words like fever or exhausted are absolute dead giveaways for listless. Now here's the ultimate exam trap, confusing listless with restless. Restless actually means having way too much nervous energy. Let's test this with a mock question. Rahul is recovering from a viral infection and has zero interest. If you dodge that trap, you absolutely nailed it. The correct answer is B, listless. See, clues like viral infection perfectly match our sluggish definition, totally ruling out those noisy, high-energy alternatives.
You totally crushed listless. But honestly, it makes you wonder what other deceptive word traps are waiting out there.